Hello, fans of the cryptocurrency exchange Bingx. Today we're going to dive deep into the world of cryptocurrency trading and explore one of the hottest digital assets of 2024. Get ready to learn everything you need to know about trading on Bingx, one of the most exciting and innovative crypto exchanges out there. And if you're new to Bingx, make sure to use the referral code 911 when you sign up. It'll give you a special bonus to kickstart your trading journey. Cryptocurrency has taken the world by storm, and if you're here, chances are you're already curious about this revolutionary technology. But before we get into the specifics of trading, let's take a step back and understand what cryptocurrencies are all about. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for secure financial transactions. They operate on a decentralized network called a blockchain, which is essentially a digital ledger that records all transactions in a transparent and immutable way. This means that there's no central authority like a government or a bank controlling the currency. It's a peer-to-peer system that relies on collective computational power to validate transactions and maintain the network. The first and most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have emerged, each with its own unique features, use cases, and underlying technologies. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the hottest cryptocurrency of 2024. While there are many contenders, one digital asset that has been making waves is insert the name of the hottest cryptocurrency of 2024 and provide a brief overview of its key features, use cases, and why it has gained popularity. Trading cryptocurrencies can be an exciting and potentially lucrative endeavor, but it's important to understand that it also comes with risks. The crypto market is highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate dramatically in a short period of time. Additionally, the regulatory landscape around cryptocurrencies is still evolving, and there are concerns around security, anonymity, and environmental impact. However, if you're willing to do your research, manage your risks, and approach trading with a long-term perspective, cryptocurrency trading can be a rewarding experience. And that's where Bingx comes in. Bingx is a leading cryptocurrency exchange that offers a user-friendly platform for buying, selling, and trading a wide range of digital assets. With its cutting-edge technology, advanced trading tools, and robust security measures, Bingx has quickly become a favorite among both novice and experienced traders. One of the standout features of Bingx is its social trading capabilities. With the Bingx copy trading platform, you can follow and automatically copy the trades of successful traders, allowing you to learn from their strategies and potentially replicate their success. This feature is particularly useful for beginners who want to gain experience in the crypto market without taking on too much risk. Another key aspect of Bingx is its focus on security. The exchange employs a range of advanced security measures, including multi-signature cold wallets, two-factor authentication, and anti-money laundering (AML) and Know Your Customer (KYC) protocols. This ensures that your funds and personal information are kept safe and secure at all times. In addition to its robust security features, Bingx also offers a user-friendly mobile app that allows you to trade on the go. The app provides real-time market data, charts, and trading tools, so you can stay on top of the market and execute trades seamlessly from anywhere. But Bingx isn't just about trading, it's also a vibrant community of like-minded individuals who share a passion for cryptocurrencies. The exchange hosts regular educational webinars, QA sessions, and social events, providing a platform for traders to connect, learn, and grow together. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of how to trade on Bingx. Step 1. Sign up for an account. The first step is to create an account on Bingx. Head over to the Bingx website or download the mobile app and follow the registration process. Don't forget to use the referral code 911 to claim your special bonus. Step 2. Verify your identity. To comply with regulatory requirements and ensure the security of the platform, Bingx will ask you to verify your identity by providing some personal information and documentation. This process is called Know Your Customer (KYC) and is standard practice in the cryptocurrency industry. Step 3. Fund your account. Once your account is set up and verified, you'll need to fund it with the cryptocurrency or fiat currency of your choice. Bingx supports a wide range of payment methods, including bank transfers, credit, debit cards, and various cryptocurrencies. Step 4. Learn the basics of trading. Before you start trading, it's essential to have a solid understanding of the basics. Bingx offers a wealth of educational resources, including tutorials, guides, and webinars to help you get up to speed. Take the time to learn about order types, market analysis, risk management, and trading strategies. Step 5. Practice with a demo account. Once you've learned the fundamentals, it's a good idea to practice with a demo account. Bingx provides a demo trading platform that simulates real market conditions, allowing you to test your strategies and get comfortable with the platform's features without risking any real money. Step 6. Start trading. When you're ready, it's time to start trading for real. Bingx offers a variety of trading options, including spot trading, margin trading, and futures trading. Choose the option that best suits your risk tolerance and investment goals, and don't forget to carefully manage your risk by setting stop-loss orders and diversifying your portfolio. Step 7. Monitor your trades and adjust your strategy. Trading is an ongoing process, and it's essential to monitor your trades and adjust your strategy as needed. Bingx provides advanced charting tools and real-time market data to help you stay on top of market movements and make informed decisions. Step 8. Engage with the Bingx community. Finally, don't forget to take advantage of the vibrant Bingx community. Participate in forums, attend webinars, and connect with other traders to share insights, strategies, and experiences. The more you engage with the community, the more you'll learn and grow as a trader. Trading cryptocurrencies can be an exciting and potentially rewarding endeavor, but it's important to approach it with caution, knowledge, and a solid strategy. Bingx is a powerful platform that offers a wide range of tools and resources to help you navigate the crypto market and achieve your trading goals. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Bingx today using the referral code 911 and embark on your journey into the world of cryptocurrency trading. Remember, success in trading requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Stay curious, stay vigilant, and most importantly, have fun. All the best and happy trading.